Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to talk about does it possible to design your Shopify store with 10 minutes or fast. Basically, this is very important topic for beginner who just started using Shopify, because when you start searching on Google or YouTube to design your Shopify store by yourself without hiring any developer, and when you see that someone uploaded or some video about design your Shopify store fast or design your Shopify store with 10 minutes, then you will be very interested to watch this type video, and finally you cannot make within 10 minutes or fast, because as a beginner you will need minimum 30 minutes. Just introduce yourself with Shopify environment or Shopify admin panel, like how to create pages, how to add menus, how to upload products, create collections, add tag, and add media on your product or page, a lot of things. Also, you will need minimum 1 hour's time to know about each section customization options, how you can customize each section, how you can use this section for your design. Then you can think about how to use this section on your store. So when you want to learn how to design your Shopify store without any developer, without any coding skill, then you must follow that you are going to watch the video, a full video, which length minimum 1 hour or 30 minutes or 45 minutes, because within 10 minutes it's never possible to design a professional Shopify store. So I hope you understand everything very clearly. So when you start learning Shopify store design, start watching Shopify store design course video or any tutorials, you must have to follow the video length. So finally, I want to share that recently I have uploaded 3 full course about Shopify store design, Shopify customization, and I am going to upload new video about how to design Shopify store for different type of product, like a different type of categories. For example, create a Shopify store for selling fashion item, for selling cosmetics item, for selling beauty item, for selling kid toys, something like that. I hope you understand. So stay connected in my YouTube channel, subscribe in this YouTube channel, and you will find a lot of full video guideline as a beginner, and my YouTube channel will be very perfect for any beginner. So I hope you understand everything very clearly. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify and SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.